sinner who has hurt all mankind just to save his own beliefs. One love. What about the one heart? What about let's get together and feel alright? Yes, it was in the beginning. One love. So shall it be in the end. One heart. Alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon. One love. So when the man comes, there will be no doom. One song. Have pity on those whose chances grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Say